you're in luck. Today, I'm teaming up with Bertman to make a next level guac I think you're gonna love. So stay tuned. In last week's episode, I made chimichangas in honor of Deadpool 2. And in doing so, I stumbled upon a recipe for a next level guacamole using one of Bertman's signature condiments. Now, making an amazing guacamole is the perfect accompaniment to so many dishes. It's fresh and it's vibrant, and I can't imagine eating Mexican food without it. Now, the recipe I've come up with dials it up with a bit of a kick. And the best part is, it's super simple and quick to make. So here's what you'll need. There you have it, a fast and easy guacamole that's sure to add zest to your favorite Mexican dishes or simply as a quick and tasty snack. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.